effects of graying hair. Ingredients: potato 5 to 6, medium size, water 2 cups. Now follow these steps. Peel about 5 potatoes and gather 1 cup of peels. You won't need the potatoes themselves, so you can use them for a meal or recipe. Pour 2 cups of cold water into a saucepan and add the potato peels. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Then, take the saucepan off the stove and let it cool completely. Strain the liquid out and save the liquid. Add a few drops of rosemary or lavender oil to scent it and pour the cool mixture into a glass container with tight-fitting lid. Use this as a hair rinse after shampooing your hair. Shampoo as normal. Rinse out the shampoo, then massage the potato peel water into the hair. Do not rinse it out. Dry and style your hair as normal. In just a couple of days you will notice that your hair turned back to its natural color. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video.